Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Walgreens. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in walgreens.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Walgreens website, from which in order to log into your account, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will see the sign in button from the pop-up menu. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be taken into the sign in portal. Now within this portal, go ahead and type in your email address in the email address box and then enter your account password that you set up while creating your account. Then simply click on the sign in button and now you will be logged into your account with Walgreens. And you can now immediately start using the Walgreens website and its various features. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Walgreens website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.